If you can look through the glass there, let's see, you will see people disembarking. It is disembarkation morning. It's loading up on supplies for the next departure, which is Dominica Days. Valiant Lady refuels, repeoples, and she hits the high seas again tonight to go to the Dominican Republic. The port is as busy as you can imagine. There's fuel coming in, there's food coming in, there's supplies coming in, there are people going out. So you might ask, what are you still doing in your cabin? I'm getting footage for you. And now I'm heading to breakfast. Final breakfast for this voyage.